SYNCLONE 45S automatic rebar double bending line offers several benefits for manufacturing rebars in construction industry. CNC technology ensures precise and accurate bending of rebars, meeting specific design requirements and minimizing errors in construction projects. Capability to bend rebars up to 45 feet in length and 42 millimeters in diameter. The automated nature of the system significantly increases production speed and efficiency, allowing for the quick and consistent bending of a large volume of rebars. CNC systems allow for easy customization of bending angles, shapes, and sizes, providing flexibility to meet diverse construction needs and design specifications. Automation reduces the need for manual labor in the bending process, leading to cost savings and minimizing the risk of human error. This machine ensures consistent and uniform quality in rebar bending, resulting in standardized components for construction projects, which is crucial for structural integrity. The automated process allows for a higher production capacity, enabling manufacturers to meet tight project deadlines and accommodate large-scale construction projects. Advanced CNC systems provide real-time monitoring and control of the bending process, enabling operators to make adjustments as needed and ensuring consistent quality throughout production. For pricing and details, reach out to us at novotechmachinetools.com.